India, a nation where over 7 lakh international patients receive treatment every year. You know why? So let me tell you. Right now, I am present here at Max Super Specialty Hospital, Dwarka. And here you will find cutting edge technologies, world class diagnostic equipment, and surgical robots that are the best in the world, all at fraction of the cost. Plus, not only technology, but our doctors are globally renowned for their precision and expertise. And we welcome everyone with open arms, treating all with respect regardless of caste, color, religion, or their economical background.
Did you know India has more than 85,000 hospitals with 1.35 million doctors to ensure the solution for every medical need? But with so many options, how do you choose the right one? Here we come into the picture. At Medotil Global, we go beyond medical treatment. We manage your entire medical journey. While hospitals focus on medical care, we handle comfort, support, and logistics. Connected with 120 plus NABH and JCI accredited hospitals, we ensure world class treatment with seamless coordination.
Is how we make your treatment journey seamless step by step. So let's start with our pre-arrival services. We start by listening. Once we receive your query, we collect your medical records and ask you to fill out a form about your lifestyle and medical history. This helps us thoroughly understand your condition, and our team carefully evaluates your case and select top hospitals and their most senior doctors to create personalized treatment for you to ensure you have the best options tailored to your emotional, financial, and medical needs. But still, the important factor is doctor video consultation. That's why we arrange a video consultation for you with the treating doctor. During this call, you can ask questions and gain a complete understanding of your treatment plan. Once the plan is finalized, we help you with visa invitation letter to simplify the visa process and accommodation near to the hospital along with the local transportation facilities for you.
Now comes post-arrival services, means when you land here in India. From the moment you land, we welcome you with seamless airport pickup and a smooth transfer to your hospital or stay, ensuring comfort, care, and peace of mind from day one. Now let's talk about hospital coordination. With the help of hospital professional staff, we assist you with complete hospital formalities and documentation, currency exchange and setting up a local SIM card for easy communication, and most important, we ensure all diagnostics and treatment begin without delays. A language translator will be there to bridge communication gaps. A dedicated case manager for all logistic needs, billing, documentation, diagnostics, and medications. 24 into 7 availability to address your concern so that you don't have to navigate the complexity of treatment and new country alone. And in fact, by that means you focus on your recovery while we handle everything. Now, once you get discharged, you may need to stay in India for follow-up care.
And here comes our post treatment services. Since we have booked your accommodation near the hospital, we help you in settling there. We also assist you with doctor follow ups and arranging local transports, giving you peace of mind, ensuring your recovery. We believe healing goes beyond treatment. That's why we offer optional holistic tour, letting you experience India's beauty and culture because a peaceful mind helps in faster recovery. But these services are not ended yet because when you are planning to return to your home country, then we ensure a smooth departure with airport drop off, providing with a detailed post care plan and teleconsultations when you are at your country. And if needed, medication delivery to your home country is also a part of our post treatment services. So, this is how we make your medical journey more comfortable for you. With Medotel Global, we believe in transparency, compassionate care, and provide end to end support. So now you know, India is a land of hope, healing, and unmatched medical expertise. With Medotel Global, your journey becomes stress free, successful, and supported. Contact us today as at Medotel Global, your health is our commitment.